U Arden mela besaya maj u MLA trong konong krem constituency bat haka cukup poru bolong unong yalam trong kaseng Voice of the People Party hene kesengi ulong bakito baro ki parti ki baju yalap election baki cuben ya ka NPP hendrai menta kila let's no syakaseng trong ka NPP bat ulong syuk-syuk baka cingkren kecong udi peti chief minister ba presiden tensong hakapor ba uyalap election benta ka la ulong shisha ba hadien ka 2tarik ba en pensyong yaki hakatunum Tnum Boss te kumta kala urlong shisha
of hatred, a communal politics, a politics of self-centered, not like those parties who have squarely blamed the leader belonging to one particular community for all the wrongdoings of the government after having partnered with them in the entire term. And the Deputy Chief Minister has rightly responded that after the 2nd of March, they will come to us and we will make them sit on the roof of the bus, which exactly they have done it. So, sir, there may be a wrong impression about us as being haters and too conservative in our minds. And the people may misunderstood or misconceive about me personally, especially after the language issue, sir. But the fact of the matter is that we are not. Maybe I have a look that misrepresents my hearts and minds.